Hello guys, welcome to TechTube. Now today we are going to see how to fix pricing error. Yes, there was a problem in pricing the package installation on Android application. Now let's see. First of all, go to setting option. In this slightly scroll down, you can see password and security option is there. This one, click it. And here you can slightly scroll down. You can see the privacy policy, authentication on requirements, and the privacy is there. These settings, this one, privacy, click it and slightly scroll down. You can see special app access is there. Yes, this option, click it. And here you can see 10th option, install unknown apps is there. Yes, this one, click it, install unknown apps. It's loading right now, wait for a couple of seconds. Then you want to, now I'm trying to give WhatsApp, click it, and you can see now install unknown apps. All from this source is enabled right now. You want to disable this. Yes, disable it. After disabling, go back. Now you want to go to app section. In this you can see permission is there. Yes, this one, click it. And you want to click permissions, app permission. Yes, here you can see storage is there. Yes, you want to click storage. And if you are going to download any application, means you want to select that application to enable in storage. Now you can see WhatsApp is not in storage, it's not enabled right now. Storage permission, you want to enable it. Yes, enable this. And after that you want to go to Chrome and click download WhatsApp app, and here you want to click the second option, click it. And here you can see download now is there. Click download option. You can see it's downloading right now. So this is how to fix pricing error in your Android mobile. So thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned to TechTube. Thank you.